Trade talks between the U.S. and China have resumed in Washington, and negotiators say they are hopeful to strike some sort of deal before the next tariffs on Chinese imports take effect next week. A partial agreement is the most realistic outcome, but President Trump says he won't be satisfied with anything less than a big deal. KRBC's Anna Warnke has more from the White House.
It's back to the negotiating table for the U.S. and China. Top trade negotiators for the two countries met on Thursday in Washington, hoping to defuse a 15-month-long trade war.
If you show China that you are a pushover, you will be pushed over.
Jeff Moon says the only way to win is to play tough. It wasn't long ago that Moon had his own seat at the table as a trade negotiator in the Obama administration.
However, just mere threats and insults are not enough, and insults are particularly counterproductive.
Moon says the U.S. and China need to focus on mending their rocky relationship, and fast.
Next week, the Trump administration is scheduled to increase the tariff rate on $250 billion worth of Chinese imports to 30%. Another set of tariffs are set to take effect in December.
These are core Trump voters that are going to be affected by this and harmed by this.
President Trump teased the trade talks Thursday morning on Twitter, saying, "Big day of negotiations with China. They want to make a deal, but do I?"
I do think that the president is interested in a trade deal.
Riley Walters with the Heritage Foundation says the best case scenario is a skinny deal that pauses any talks of tariffs for now.
But these are still just pause in tariffs. And so what I'm hoping for is that, again, sometime next year, there's going to be a deal that removes all the tariffs.
Trade talks are expected to end on Friday when President Trump says he will meet with the Chinese vice premier at the White House. In Washington, I'm Anna Warnke.